Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another retro design. This is the Goldfinch knot. Let's go ahead and get started. My left side again, as always, is at the belt line. Come over here, I'm just going to put a fold in there. I'm using a mocha pinch, but you can use whatever you want. We're going to come around, we're going to do a mini cylinder. We're going to go one, two, I'm going to go around a third time. I'm going to come up over here like this. Leave it like this right here. Come over. Fold it in half. Bring it through like that. Come across like this. It's still folded in half over here as you bring it through. And then we're going to come over here like so. Come underneath like this. We're going to put the collar down. And there you have the Goldfinch. So again, we'll put my buttons down here. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Check out Stylish Leadership for content there. Love for you to hit the bell so you can get notifications on both channels of new content coming. Own your summer friends, your favorite one if you made. We'll see you in the next video.